Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Ecovacs. This is the Deebot X8 Pro Omni. If you're interested in the X8 or you want to find out more about it, shop the link in the video description. So here's our mobile app. We're going to select the image to enter into our device, and it'll already populate the map for you after you make your first map. So yours will look different depending on your environment. But a couple things that we can notice right away is as follows. Right-hand side of the screen, we have two icons to look at. The first one's zone. That's zone cleaning. So we can use our map and we can add up to 5 different zones to clean. And then we also have our map icon here. This takes us to all of our map settings. We'll start at the very top. It says map 1 with the blue plus icon. We can select that, and that's how we can add another map. And then we can start mapping. So very simple to do that. Then top right-hand corner, we can name, backup, restore, or delete this map. Then right-hand side below the map, we have a 90-degree icon, so we can rotate our map. And then at the very bottom, we have all of our settings. So area names, we can rename them. We can add virtual boundaries. Do you want to do a linear boundary? Great. Or do you want to do a rectangular one? Awesome. And then do you want to do the red box, no entry, or just no mopping? And you had that option, I believe, for both right there. So basically red or yellow. Pick and choose which one you want. And they have some additional instructions for you there for the map settings. But drag, drop, place, you can add multiples of each. And just specify if you want it to be a no-go zone or just a no-mop zone. Then we have our divide option. So we can divide a room if we wanted to. So we could do room 1. We could divide it like that. Hit confirm. There we go. We just divided the room. Then we also have our combine. So if we wanted to, we could select 2 rooms and we can combine them together. Furniture. If you want to add furniture and build out your map, for whatever reason you can, they give you that option. That's just aesthetically for you. So I don't spend a lot of time there personally, but again, to each their own. Then we have a wall extend option here. If you need to tweak your map a little bit, you can extend a wall. So we can move it right there. If we needed to extend it, we select it. And then we can move it out as needed. Moving right along, we have our material icon. So we can select material that needs to be changed. Default, wood, tile, marble, you get the idea. So you can adjust your floor type there. Then we have carpet options. So we can add carpet if we wanted to, round or rectangular. Threshold ramp, we can add a threshold ramp. Just like everything else, drag and drop. And then lastly, we can delete an area. So say there's an area you want to delete off your map, you can do that right here. So we could select the bathroom, we could delete the bathroom if we wanted to. And then lastly, I wanted to show you in the device settings. So top right-hand corner, select that settings gear icon. If we go down here to display settings, we have our map display settings where we can toggle on or off things like floor, furniture, layout, name, non-cleaning area, right? So we can adjust our map accordingly to our own preferences there. So very detailed and thorough what you're able to do and customize within the map settings for the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni.